the market is always evolving, but also the market is always unique. There really is something that I always like to say, like, what is the path of least resistance? Because it's easy to get fixated on the idea that, this has to happen because I read about it or because I really think this is what's going to happen. And when we start thinking like that, then we start going off the path of least resistance and we're just trying to like prove ourselves to be right versus just kind of like, what does that mean on what time frame and things like that. And I always say like, look, the slower the trend, the larger the time frame. So when we had, nice kind of easy uptrends, yeah, you're looking at daily and weekly and monthly charts. But when you got volatility where one day it's up, one day it's down, you can replicate what used to happen on those daily, weekly, and monthly charts, but you're doing it on a 5 minute and a 30 minute and like an hourly chart because the trends are going to be smaller and kind of, more rapidly changing. But you can still trade the same way. It's just trading it in a smaller time frame. If you're walking through the woods, there's always going to be a path where it's going to be easier to kind of get through, and there's going to be another path where you need a machete and a hatchet. And in trading, you always want to focus on the paths where you don't need a machete and a hatchet to kind of work your way out of it.